Volcano erupted near Iceland's capital Reykjavik on Monday, the country's meteorological office said, marking the third time in 2 years that lava has gushed out in the area. Local media footage shows a massive cloud of smoke rising from the ground as well as a substantial flow of lava at the site about 30 kilometers from Reykjavik. The eruption is taking place in a small depression just north of Litli Hrútur from which smoke is escaping in a northwesterly direction, the meteorological office said. Scientists had warned of possible eruptions after hundreds of minor earthquakes were detected in recent weeks. Photos show streams of lava flowing along the dark fields, with small fires in the distance and thick smoke billowing in the air. Since the eruption took place in an uninhabited area, there were no immediate risks to communities or infrastructure, the IMO said, but it warned people not to venture near the area, saying there will be an accumulation of dangerously high levels of volcanic gases. The wind will carry some of these gases north, potentially affecting several areas including the Icelandic capital, the IMO said. A volcanic eruption has sent lava and smoke pouring out of the side of Mount Fagradalsfjall, near Iceland's capital Reykjavik. It comes after intense earthquake activity in the area. Local authorities said on Monday there was no imminent hazard to people in the region. The volcano is located in the country's southwest, on the Reykjanes Peninsula, which is known to be a seismic hotspot. Domestic flights were delayed after the eruption created a plume of smoke over the road connecting the capital to the country's largest airport. Thank you.